life is like a movie. This weed it somehow soothes me. Help me find the booze, please. I'm trying to find a new bitch. Tired of the old clique. I'm on some new shit. You must have got confused with how the game is played. Though it's nearly just an hour ago, I told you need to lace up, but now we gotta face it. They might be different races, living in the same world, breathing all the same. Why can't we play fair, get rid of the gunshots and lose all the who's on top? I'm tired of the what not, and everybody plotting up to take so many lives. Stop all the riots, I'm tired of the violence. It's all a bunch of nonsense, so get off that bullshit. You sound like a fool, bitch. Don't be a little tool, bitch. I know it sounds cool, bitch. I'm not on that bullshit. Moving slow, I'm on that drug. Moving slow, I'm on that drug. Moving slow, I'm on that drug. We only smoke that chronic, it's gone hydroponic, the feeling's ironic, it makes me want some sonic, scratch that I'll have some hypersonic speed at 60,000 feet.